going to offer a prayer of blessing and then turn it over to Chaplain Jeffrey for some words and a blessing, and then Father Tobias will actually sprinkle our boats with holy water. Let us pray. Today we gather to bless these boats, Lord, those who sail on them, those who provide food from these waters, and those who use these waters for family and business pleasure. So God of boundless love, at the beginning of creation, your spirit hovered over the deep. You called forth every creature, and the seas teemed with life. Your Son Jesus calmed the Sea of Galilee, brought his friends to safety, and filled the nets of his disciples. He has given us the rich harvest of salvation. We ask that you bless these boats, the equipment, and all who serve on them and who use them. Protect them from the dangers of the wind and rain and of the perils of the deep. Bring us all to the harbor of light and peace. May the saving power of our Lord guide and protect us all. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Psalm 107, that they who went down to the sea in ships, who do business on the great waters, they saw the Lord's works, his wonderful works in the deep. He spoke and raised a tempest that stirred the waves of the sea, rising up to the sky and sinking down to the depths, their courage melting away in anguish. They reeled and staggered like drunken men, and all their skill was useless. Then they cried unto the Lord in all their trouble, and he brought them out of their distress. He stilled the storm to a murmur, and the waves of the sea were hushed. They rejoiced when the waves grew quiet, and he guided them to the harbor that they longed for. Let them give thanks to the Lord for his faithful love and his wonderful works for the human race. Let them exalt him in the assembly of the people and praise him in the council of the elders. Let us pray. Eternal Father, strong to save, whose arm doth bond the restless wave, who bids the mighty ocean deep his own appointed limits keep. Oh, hear us when we cry to thee for those in peril on the sea, upon the terrace dark and rude, and bid its angry tumult cease, and give for wild confusion peace. Oh, hear us when we cry to thee for those in peril on the sea.